When this man saw that the bird was holding two 500 notes in its beak, his eyes lit up. He immediately wanted to take the notes from the bird, but the bird wasn't any less clever. It gestured towards the man as if saying, "First give me something to eat, then I'll give the notes." The man understood what the bird meant and held some grains in his hand towards the bird. As soon as the bird lunged to eat, the man quickly closed his hand. This went on several times, but the bird didn't lose its patience. Finally, the man said, "First put the notes on the ground, then you'll get the grains." The bird, as if pretending, placed the notes on the ground, but as soon as the man opened his hand to give the grains, the bird flew away with both the grains and the notes.